Welcome back, heroes! Today, we're delving into the mystical world of Marvel Rivals to explore one of the most powerful sorcerers in the Marvel Universe, Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange, also known as Dr. Stephen Strange, is a vanguard hero in Marvel Rivals. As the Sorcerer Supreme, he wields ancient spells and arcane knowledge to protect the world from dark forces. With his cloak of levitation and the Eye of Agamotto, Doctor Strange is a formidable force on the battlefield. Let's break down his ability. Esther Strange's primary fire ability in Marvel Rivals is called Daggers of Dennick. This ability allows him to cast 5-round delayed hit projectiles forward. Each dagger deals 18 damage and has a projectile speed of 60 meters per second. The fire rate is 5.56 rounds per second, with a 0.03 second interval between every 2 rounds. The damage fall-off begins at 10 meters, decreasing to 62.5% at 20 meters. While the daggers are relatively slow-moving projectiles, an advanced technique to frame cancel the end lag is to weave the primary fire with his melee attack. This technique is especially useful during close combat skirmishes to increase Doctor Strange's burst damage significantly and gather more dark magic stacks faster. Doctor Strange's ultimate ability in Marvel Rivals is called Eye of Agamotto. This powerful crowd control tool allows Doctor Strange to separate nearby enemies' souls from their bodies, stunning them for 3 seconds. During this time, any damage dealt to the souls is transferred to their physical bodies, making it an excellent opportunity for follow-up attacks. The ability has a range of 10 meters and deals 60 damage upon activation. Eye of Agamotto is particularly effective for turning the tide of battle, as it leaves enemies vulnerable and unable to retaliate. Doctor Strange's Cloak of Levitation ability in Marvel Rivals allows him to ascend and enter a brief state of sustained flight. This instant cast ability grants Doctor Strange the mobility to navigate the battlefield from an aerial perspective, providing strategic advantages in both offense and defense. The Cloak of Levitation has a duration of 6 seconds and a cooldown of 15 seconds, with a dash distance of 8 meters. While flying, Doctor Strange can use his other abilities, such as Shield of the Seraphim, to block incoming projectiles and protect himself and his allies. However, the Cloak of Levitation has limited mobility due to its cooldown, making it crucial for players to time its use effectively. Doctor Strange's Maelstrom of Madness ability in Marvel Rivals allows him to release dark magic to deal damage to nearby enemies. Each point of dark magic deals 1.3 damage, making this ability more powerful the more dark magic he has. The ability has a cooldown of 8 seconds and a range of 8 meters. Maelstrom of Madness interacts directly with Doctor Strange's passive ability, Price of Magic, which accumulates dark magic with every hit on an enemy. If Doctor Strange reaches the maximum amount of dark magic and does not release it after 3 seconds, he is afflicted by the anti-heal curse, making him unable to be healed for a few seconds. Doctor Strange's Pentagram of Farala ability in Marvel Rivals allows him to open 2 portals, one from his current location and another to anywhere on the map. Alternatively, the first portal's position can be repositioned as well, allowing both portals to be placed wherever. Both allies and enemies can use the portals, which last for 20 seconds.
I'm opening a portal.
All projectiles will travel through the portal, including ultimates. If Doctor Strange channels the portal spell while in mid-air, he'll remain floating indefinitely until he places the other portal. This ability has a very long cooldown of 180 seconds, making it crucial for players to use it strategically.
A shortcut through space.
Doctor Strange's Shield of the Seraphim ability in Marvel Rivals allows him to project a large radial shield that absorbs all incoming projectiles while moving at a slower speed. The shield has a maximum value of 800 and recovers at a rate of 70 per second, with a 1-second delayed recovery after release. If the shield is destroyed, the cooldown is extended to 3 seconds. This ability can even block certain ultimates, such as the blast shot by Hela's Goddess of Death. Doctor Strange's passive ability in Marvel Rivals is called Price of Magic. This ability causes dark magic to accumulate with every hit on an enemy. Each time Doctor Strange deals damage with his primary fire or melee attack, he gains stacks of dark magic, up to a maximum of 100. If he reaches the maximum amount of dark magic and does not release it after 3 seconds, he is afflicted by the anti-heal curse, making him unable to be healed for a few seconds. Dark magic decays after a few seconds if the player doesn't deal damage, but decay is stopped immediately if further damage is done. Doctor Strange gains 3.5 dark magic for each hit with Daggers of Dennek and 10 dark magic with his melee attack. Doctor Strange's Gamma Maelstrom ability in Marvel Rivals is a powerful enhancement that occurs when he is paired with Hulk. When Doctor Strange uses his Maelstrom of Madness ability, it transforms into Gamma Maelstrom, which slightly increases the damage multiplier based on dark magic. Additionally, Gamma Maelstrom removes the anti-heal curse that would normally afflict Doctor Strange when he reaches 100 stacks of dark magic. This ability allows Doctor Strange to unleash even more devastating damage without the drawback of being unable to heal, making it a formidable tool in battle. As Doctor Strange, he defends our world from mystical threats, battling powerful FOs like Dormammu, Baron Mordo, and the Dread Dormammu. His adventures take him across dimensions, where he faces challenges that test his strength, wisdom, and resolve. That's all for today's deep dive into Doctor Strange in Marvel Rivals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Marvel Rivals content. Until next time, stay mystical.
Armed and death the might!